Well, I think that it provides in part, I think it provides a vehicle for growth, for a certain kind of growth. I think it provides an enormous opportunity for people to understand themselves by connecting to a community, by connecting to a contemporary community that is creating living Jewish culture. And it's more than Yiddish culture. It really is a living, participatory Jewish life that is, I think, amplified in a way that that some synagogue experiences are, but they choose a particular zone. And here you can both experience a contemporary community, contemporary Jewish creativity along a huge spectrum, and the opportunity to look back and see how you are connected to this, where you come from, where your ancestors come from. And just that both depth, it's a kind of wild mind experience because you experience yourself and your family history, deep over time, and then there's this vista that opens out of where you can participate now, how you can bring that forward to fill out an identity. And I find that the students' experience of both making something in the moment, either by anything from listening to somebody else to having a conversation that over generations with people, to developing a skill that meets an adult where they live, from traditional paper cutting to deepening a language skill, to making music, to using your body to dance and to absorb that sound and express yourself through it, is a remarkable experience for students. They're able to connect through communication, through emotion, and through a developing skill set. So it's quite the full experience for an adult learner.